Hi you guys! In our tutorial today, I'm gonna tell you how I got these wonderful pretty curls. What do you think I used to get this final result? Was it a hair curler? Ah! It was a hair straightener! Let's dare to be different, shall we? The best part is that my technique is absolutely new and fresh and different from most of the tutorials out there because there is no twisting in my method. And it is actually that very twisting of the hair straightener that really gets our hair tangled and can pull them and also takes a lot of extra time. Alright, beginning with brushing our hair and putting some heat protection product. With just a teeny little bit of practice, you shall become an expert at this. So this method has you wrapping your hair around the straightener just like you would if you were using a hair curler. Put the hair straightener behind the section, wrap it almost all the way through, but take it out from between the straightener and then just slide it out. Let's see it one more time. Keep the hair straightener behind the section, wrap it around and take it out from between the hair straightener and just slide it out as you would if you were straightening your hair. Just slide it out. And just as you leave the hair, it's a good idea to give them a little twirl around your finger and set them even more nicely. Just put the straightener behind the section of the hair that you are going to take. Wrap it once around the straightener, taking out the hair section from between the straightener and just pull it down. No twisting, nothing. Let's watch it again. Take the hair straightener, wrap the hair around it and take it out from between the straightener. After that, it is just super simple as you glide the straightener out. And now just glide it out. It's super simple, you guys, and it is super quick and it takes literally half the time than the twisting method does. I'm straightening my hair from the top because they're a little frizzy. Look at that, guys. I don't get such curls even from a hair curler. I'm loving these. This method is super easy because there's no twisting of the straightener. You just have to twist your hair and slide it out. Alright guys, let me move a little closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing. I will move a little closer and show you from a closer angle. Yeah. Also, when you leave the section, it is a good idea to just wrap it around your fingers and leave it, so it just gives a little more definition to the curl and it's a little more helpful. Let's open the curls that we have finished so far and oh, I love it. Keep the hair straightener behind the section of your hair that you are about to curl. Take the hair around the straightener and take it out from the middle of it. Then close the straightener and just slide it out. Another tip, you guys, which will be super duper helpful when you're doing this: don't hold the straightener really tightly, because it is so hot that even if you were not holding it and pressing it super tight, the heat will still reach your hair. In fact, if you were to not hold it super tight, it would not pull your hair, it would glide out easily. Even when you're straightening your hair, the heat reaches your hair very efficiently. You don't have to strain your hands and press it super tightly, because that just makes it, well, more difficult. And now opening up all of them curls and feeling super duper happy. I hope you like the final product, you guys, and a little bit of celebratory dance. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please let me know and I will answer them in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you super duper soon.